another vlog. It's Sunday today. I have this face mask on. This is basically chickpea flour, turmeric, rice flour, yogurt and honey. That's it. And there is Maya right there. He's making lunch. What are you making, babe?
Making chicken.
Yeah, is it Kolhapuri chicken? No, what did you say?
It is gonna have some coconut like South Indian touch.
Yeah.
Maharashtrian touch.
So he's making chicken with some coconut and all that stuff, like a gravy chicken. We're gonna eat with some rice. I'm super excited. We're already done with our tea and shake. What is the time right now? It is 1:12. So yeah. And then once we're done with our lunch, let's see whether we go out or what we do. Right now I'm watching Kim's over here and he's cooking food. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. So he fried some potato and chicken. Oh, it looks delicious. And he also marinated the chicken and he fried them. And now I think he's going to do the masala, which has onion, coconut and all that stuff. I don't know exactly, but I will taste it and let you know guys how it is because I'm super excited. Look at the chicken, guys. Oh my god, it is ready. It looks delicious. I'm sure the flavors are amazing. And the rice is also done over here. He's making a rumali roti for himself. And then we're gonna enjoy this delicious chicken. Here is the salad. Onion, cucumber and tomato. Rice. He made two rumali roti. That is key.
Yeah.
Okay. And now let's serve this. Oh my god, chicken! Okay, so today's entire meal, as you guys saw, is prepared by Mayank and the battery is dying, so I'm quickly going to show you. I'm going to taste it and see how this is. So good. I've never had this kind of curry with coconut, but this is so good. Oh my god. Delicious. Yes. This is so good. Oh my god, very nice. I must say, very nice. I'm definitely gonna do a recipe video, like shoot a video for this and give it to you guys.
Supposed to go out, but look at this weather. And it's 4:30 and this is May. Who would believe? This is 4:30 for real. See all the lightning. Marvel is all scared. He's in our room. Take all the plants inside so they don't die because there are some of those who are in a very small pot. So I've kept them behind this. But yep, 4:30 it is, and it's freaking green. Do you guys know where Marvel is? Marvel? What are you doing in that corner? Why are you hiding, Marvel? Why are you hiding? Is it lightning outside? That's why you are hiding? That's why you're sitting in mommy daddy's room? Because it's lightning outside, you don't like lightning?
Okay, so I'm gonna apply a face mask and it is raining outside so badly, that's why we couldn't go out anywhere. And another 2 hours and then 9 o'clock Game of Thrones new episode is gonna come out, so we do not want to go out anywhere that time because we want to be home. We want to watch it, the entire episode. So let me know in the comment section below how many Game of Thrones lovers out there are there. So anyways, I have dry skin, so I'm gonna apply this dry skin face mask. This has like blueberry hyaluronic acid, and yeah, it keeps it will moisturize my skin and all that stuff. So let me just apply this mask real quick. So these are the masks that Mayan got me in like on my birthday on 24th Feb, and I still have them because he got me so many of them. This is the peel off mask, so I'm just gonna apply it and then peel it off. The weather outside is so bad. We just went quickly, gave Marvel a walk, and came back again. It has been raining since morning. We had plans of going out and everything, but I don't feel like going out in rain. Done. Now I'm gonna go watch some TV. I'm so addicted to watching Kim's Convenience, so I'm just gonna go. I think it's about to finish the TV series. Let's just go watch that. Let's see what Mayang is doing. I'll wait for like 25-30 minutes, and then when I'll be peeling it off, I will show it to you guys. And one last mask from this Maskology I have. This is the, which one is this? This is Fine Lines and Wrinkles Golden Mask. So whenever I apply this, I'll show it to you guys. Okay, so my face mask has properly dried and we are making dinner. So Mayang just made this aloo ki sabji. Where is it? Oh, there. Very plain, simple aloo ki sabji. With that we are making roti. And I am going to remove this face mask. Oops. It does pain a little bit. Very tiny bit, but and done. This is the mask.
Here.
Here.
And with this when you want to.
Yeah. Here. Done. Let me show you the aloo sabji. It's right here. It's just very simple with onion, green chilies, and very minimum,
Jeera.
yeah, jeera, minimum spices like salt, paprika.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. And my skin feels very soft. I don't have to wash my face or anything because this is just a peel off mask. But yes, I feel refreshed. I think I have some in, do I have some in my eyebrow?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay, I need to go and wash this, but yeah, it shines, it glows.
Okay guys, we are done with our dinner and Tanya is just cleaning up everything. She's winding up everything in the kitchen because it's almost time to start watching Game of Thrones. And she really wants to have a little bit of coffee, so I'm gonna brew some coffee real quick. So do you want classic or rich?
Classic.
Okay, so I'm gonna just brew the classic coffee. And there it starts its magic. coffee is ready. She is just warming up some milk to add to it. And what are you doing? Oh, it
I
will.
don't want to talk, that's why.
I think it's done.
Yeah. I was just heating up some milk.
Did you want like froth or something?
No. just
Okay.
Plain simple. Choo.
And that's it. So she is gonna have some coffee and we are gonna watch some Game of Thrones. So I guess that is it for the day as well.
Yeah.
So tomorrow is Monday. So we wish you guys happy Monday already. You guys have a wonderful week ahead, and we really hope that you enjoyed your weekend and enjoyed the thali and enjoyed this vlog as well. And keep sending us suggestions, keep sending us all your love, and thank you so much for subscribing to us and
Subscribing, liking,
commenting. Yes, we really appreciate connecting with each one of you at an individual level. We really love you guys. So we'll see you in another amazing vlog, and until then, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.